This is James's Party 2025 at Brook Hill Hall in Derbyshire. Say hello, Andrew.
Hello, Andrew. It's been very hot.
It's been very hot. The sun's gone in for the moment.
Hence the brolly.
Say hello, Mother. Hello, Mother. There's the hall. Friends here. E-Type over there with a red bonnet up. Max 1 as well, the yellow car. We have Morris Minor, T Ford, the Gisborne, Orange Gisborne and Austin, Jaguar 420, and then back to the GT40. E-Type, the silver R8 and the wheel. And there's loads of cars in the back room there. Everybody's starting to go home now. There was a real good selection.